A very important step in this question is naming the key. This key signature could be either F major or D minor, and these notes clearly indicate the tonic chord of F major, which is F, A, and C. B flat notes are just passing tones between the chord tones of A and C. We should now determine the note durations for the cadence chords. This line suggests that the two cadence chords will be in the last bar. Based on this time signature of 2-4, each chord will be a quarter note value. The first cadence will be the half cadence. And the final cadence will be the authentic cadence. We will end on the tonic note, which is F. We can approach this note either from above, G, or below, E. I will choose G. The final note of the first phrase should be an unstable scale degree, which is either the second or the seventh degree of the scale, G or E. I will choose G. I will approach this note by a step, either from above or below. I will choose A. Before we continue, let's analyze the two-bar opening for the implied harmony. As I said earlier, this looks like the tonic chord of F major. For the third bar, let's choose another primary chord from this key, which would be the subdominant chord. And I will write the chord symbols for the half cadence. This note works with the tonic chord, and half cadences, of course, end with the dominant chord. For the second phrase, I will use the same chord symbols for the first three bars. And then I will write the chord symbols for the authentic cadence, which are dominant and tonic. For the third bar of the first phrase, I will use the melodic material from the first measure, but I will alter the notes so they fit with the subdominant chord, which has B flat, D, and F. So I will start with the D note. The final 16th note is a non-chord note, and non-chord notes should resolve by a step to a chord note, which is not in this case. So I will change this note to another chord note of the subdominant chord. I will change it to D. For the second phrase, I will alter this melody using other chord tones. So instead of C, I will use A. I will also change the direction of this group of 16th notes. In the second bar, I will use the same notes as here, but in a different order. And in the third bar, I will use this rhythmic and melodic material, but starting on a different chord tone. In this case, I will choose B flat. And I will change the direction of the 16th note group. And ending on the chord tone. Finally, I will draw phrase marks over each phrase. To finish, I will erase the chord symbols as they are not needed for the answer.